Today, Gaelito y yo estamos haciendo banana bread. We have an extra banana, half a cup of melted butter. It's recommended not to throw away your bananas. The more mature they are, the best. Mash 3 bananas like this. Okay, 2 eggs, a dash of vanilla. You can use a metal one or a glass and then spray with this. 1 cup of white sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of a pinch of salt. Okay, you mix together the salt, the baking soda, and the flour. And then add the mixture to the flour of banana and egg. Whisk it. Half a cup of chocolate chips. And this is... Mix the almonds and chocolate into the banana bread mix. 350 for about an hour. Tan, 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 tan.
Okay, so overdone it.
Yummy, yummy.